In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the GeForce error code 0x0003. This process is pretty simple, so let's get started. First, open your Start menu and search for Device Manager. Click on it to open the window. In Device Manager, scroll down to Display Adapters and expand the section. Look for your graphics card, which is probably an Nvidia card. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers to make sure you have the latest version. Once it finishes, close the window. Next, go back to your Start menu and search for Windows Defender. Select Windows Defender Firewall. Find Nvidia Geforce Experience.exe, double-click it, and click Add. Once added, ensure both private and public options are checked, then press OK. Now, search for services in the Start menu and open the Services window. Scroll down to find the Nvidia services at the bottom. Right-click on the Nvidia Display Container service and select Restart. Next, find the Nvidia Framework SDK service. Double-click on it and ensure its status is running. If not, click Start, then hit OK. After that, right-click on it and choose Restart. Finally, right-click on Nvidia Local System and select Restart. Once you've restarted the services, close the window and check if the problem is resolved. If it still isn't working, search for Run in the Start menu and open it. Type %local app data % and press Enter. Go to the Nvidia Corporation folder and open GeForce Experience. You should see a folder named Sufcache. Right-click on the CFCACHE folder and select Delete. If you can't delete it, make sure GeForce Experience isn't running and try again. Once you've deleted it, search for Programs in the Start menu and select Add or Remove Programs. Search for GeForce in the list, click the three dots next to it, and choose Uninstall. Wait for it to uninstall. Afterward, open your browser and search for GeForce Experience download. Click the top result and press Download now. Once the file has downloaded, double-click it and follow the on-screen instructions to reinstall GeForce Experience. That's it. By following these steps, you should have resolved the GeForce error code. If this tutorial was helpful, consider liking and subscribing. See you in the next video.